Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating oral history of Andreas Andy Bechtolsheim, a pivotal figure in Silicon Valley's history. Get ready for a tech-filled journey. Buckle up.
I'm incredibly excited. Bechtolsheim's impact on computing is undeniable. Where should we begin this epic tale?
Let's start with his humble beginnings. He grew up on a Bavarian farm, a far cry from the bustling tech scene he would later dominate. But even then, his innate curiosity was evident. Taking apart tape recorders at age 4 or 5, and even sending Santa Claus a wish list with exact SKU numbers for experimental kits. Amazing!
That's incredible. A true testament to his early fascination with how things work. And how did that translate into his early technical pursuits?
He started with basic electric experiments, then moved on to transistors in the late 60s. His basement became his lab, and he built a frequency counter with plasma display tubes. So cool! This even led to a side hustle timing car races for a local club.
Wow, a true entrepreneurial spirit from a young age. Did he have any formal training at this point?
Not really. He learned mostly through hands-on experience, working as an intern at a local electronics company. This is where he designed his first microprocessor system, using the Intel 8080 AL before he was even 16. He even programmed it in binary code because assemblers and compilers weren't readily available. Unbelievable.
That's just mind-blowing. So how did he transition from this early success to his time at Carnegie Mellon?
After winning a German science fair, he received a Fulbright scholarship to study in the U.S. He went to Carnegie Mellon, skipping undergraduate studies altogether, and earned his master's degree at just 20 years old. His master's project focused on networking, a theme that would continue throughout his career.
Remarkable. And how did he end up in Silicon Valley?
Pure coincidence. His Intel internship fell through, but he ended up at Stanford, working on computer-aided design. He then became a consultant at Xerox PARC, a legendary place. This is where he was exposed to the Alto computer, a major influence on his future work.
I see. So, the Alto inspired him to build his own workstation at Stanford, right?
Exactly. Using the Motorola 68000, he built the SUN workstation, which eventually led to the founding of Sun Microsystems. A pivotal moment in computing history. He even designed the printed circuit boards himself to facilitate manufacturing.
Amazing! And how did Sun Microsystems get started? Was it easy to secure funding?
Not exactly. They started with a modest $250,000, proving their worth to secure further funding. The initial business plan was only 5 pages long, incredibly concise. The key was their focus on workstations running Unix, a powerful combination that set them apart from competitors like Apollo.
Interesting. What were some of the key technical decisions that contributed to Sun's success?
The transition to the SPARC architecture was huge. It was a RISC architecture, significantly faster than the Motorola chips. A game changer. The SPARC Station 1 became a bestseller, solidifying Sun's position in the market. But it wasn't just the hardware. Their adoption of Berkeley Unix was also crucial.
Right. And what about his later ventures? I know he was involved in Gigabit Ethernet and Google.
After Sun, he founded Granite Systems, focusing on Gigabit Ethernet, which was later acquired by Cisco. A massive success. He also invested in Google early on, recognizing the potential of their PageRank algorithm. A truly prescient move. He's currently involved with Arista Networks, focusing on data center networking.
Incredible journey. What are some key takeaways from Bechtolsheim's story?
His unwavering curiosity, his hands-on approach, his ability to identify and capitalize on market opportunities, and his knack for assembling talented teams. A true visionary. He also emphasizes the importance of timing and choosing the right projects to focus on. And, of course, the power of open systems and collaboration.
Absolutely. A truly inspiring story. Thanks for sharing this fascinating look into the life and career of Andy Bechtolsheim.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Join us next time for another exciting deep dive into the world of technology. Have a great day, everyone.
Bye-bye.